The role of generative AI in today's world.
How AI is revolutionizing education.
Machine learning.
Artificial intelligence.
Hey parents, feeling lost in the world of AI? Worried about your kids' futures? Well, you're not alone. The world is changing, but AI isn't a threat. It's an incredible opportunity. YuviPep empowers your 10 to 15-year-olds to thrive in the future by equipping them with the most in-demand artificial intelligence skills. Our AI engineer-led live online program has 4 levels of hands-on learning. Level 1, AI and ML Basics. Level 2, Python coding. Level 3, Generative AI. Level 4, Industry Projects. The program takes just 32 hours, spread across 2 days a week for 4 months. At the end of the course, they would be receiving an industry-recognized certificate too. Even after the course, our dedicated mentors will help your kids refine their projects and open doors to exciting new internship opportunities. Don't let AI overwhelm you. Give your child the skills and support they need to succeed in the modern world of technology. Book a free demo class for your child by signing up below.